manufacturer and developer of transparent solar photovoltaic glass, basically window glass that produces electricity. And we cover buildings, so we're a building material, cover buildings, produce power, reduce energy bills, reduce CO2 emissions. In terms of taking the product into the marketplace, it's never quite as straightforward as it may appear. There's a risk element and a risk aversity in the customer base. There's a need to have proven the product, to have experimental test rigs, etc. up there already. Equally, the product then needs registration across all the building regulations, as well as, in our case, the photovoltaic regulations, in order to get other things. And then there's the government subsidies for renewable energies, and as you're probably aware, photovoltaic subsidies have also had a bumpy ride with the government. So yes, there's been a number of challenges, never a smooth ride, but equally makes life much more interesting. I mean, the reality of our business is saving money, saving CO2. The opportunity that RBS gives us is the ability to showcase our product on their estate and get a client of their scale and prestige.